One quiet night, Lucas, a young wizard, sat outside his cozy cottage with his loyal dog Luna. Suddenly, a bright silver comet flashed across the sky, leaving behind a glowing trail. Lucas gasped with excitement.
Look, Luna! A magic star! Let's go see where
Luna
it landed.
wagged her tail happily, ready for adventure. The forest whispered softly as they stepped beneath its glowing trees. Fireflies danced all around them, lighting the path ahead. "Don't worry, Luna," Lucas said with a grin.
So bright, Luna.
"Magic will guide us."
Like the moon made a path
And
just
so,
for us.
they walked deeper into the night. In a quiet clearing, they found it. A silver stone glowing softly like the moon itself. "Oh, Luna, look at this," Lucas whispered in awe. "It's moonlight magic." Luna sniffed it curiously and barked with joy. Then, a gentle breeze swirled through the trees. A voice whispered in the wind. "Young wizard, the moonlight is fading. Return it to the moon tower before midnight." Lucas nodded bravely. "Did you hear that, Luna? We have a mission." Soon, they reached a river so bright it looked like glass. "The River of Mirrors," said Lucas softly. He stepped onto a glowing stone. "Careful, Luna. Follow me." Together they crossed, their reflections shining beside the moon. From above, a wise white owl hooted gently. "Hoo-hoo! Follow the moonlight through the cave." "Thank you, kind owl," Lucas called out, raising his wand in gratitude. The owl's feathers shimmered like snow as it watched them go. The cave was dark, and the air was cold. Luna whimpered softly, staying close to Lucas. But Lucas lifted his wand and whispered, "The light inside me is stronger than any shadow." And just like that, silver light filled the cave, chasing the darkness away. At last, they saw it, the moon tower, tall and shining, reaching all the way to the stars. "We made it, Luna!" Lucas shouted joyfully. The two climbed the spiral stairs together, bathed in moonlight. At the top, Lucas placed the glowing silver stone into a crystal holder. The tower filled with light, and the moon above burst into silver radiance. Luna barked happily. Lucas smiled, proud and full of wonder. That night, back on the grassy hill, Lucas and Luna lay side by side beneath the silver moon. "We did it, Luna," Lucas whispered softly. "The light is home again." Luna wagged her tail and snuggled close. Together, they drifted into peaceful sleep. Even the smallest light can brighten the darkest night. Believe in your courage, and let your kindness shine.
Thank you for watching. See you soon on English Talkies.